now demonstrate and see what is a sample space. First, before that, we will try to understand what is a sample space. It is the sample space for rolling a standard six-sided die is the set of all possible outcomes when rolling the die. So it consists of the numbers from 1 to 6. So which are the faces of the die. You can see here, this is a die which has 6 faces. So the sample space is typically represented as (1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6). So this is my sample space. So because my die has 6 faces, so my sample space for this is 6. So the sample spaces includes all the elementary outcomes, which means all the possible outcomes that a die can give when rolling a die. Each number represents a simple event. When you roll the die, one of these numbers will be the outcome, and they are mutually exclusive, which means only one outcome can be there when you roll it. When it can be one at a time. So only one outcome can be there at a single go. So we are going to demonstrate live what is a sample space and what is an outcome. Now I have a coin in my hand. Now I am going to literally show what is an experiment, what is a probability experiment. So I have a coin, I am going to flip it. So what I got is tails. You can see over here, it is tails. So this is one experiment. Okay, this is an outcome. So what I got is an outcome. So the outcome of this experiment is tails. Now let's see what is a sample space. Now I'm going to flip the same coin multiple times and I'm going to see what is going to happen, what is the result is. The result is heads. The result is tails. Again we got heads. We got tails. Again we got tails. So we had 5 outcomes. This altogether will become a sample space. So this is called a sample space of a coin. So similarly we can do it for the dice as well. So I'm going to take 2 dice in this case. Now I'm going to do the experiment. So what I got is 4 and 2. So my result will be 4, 2. So this is my first experiment. Now I'm going to do the second one. So what I got here is 4, 3. So now I got 1, 1. So now what I got is 4, 1. So this is the last experiment which I got is 5, 2. Now you can see the sample space of 2 dice here. So this is what is ultimately outcome and sample space.
There are two elementary outcomes of a coin. Whenever you flip a coin, it will land either heads or tails. These samples include all possible outcomes of a coin toss. And each outcome is mutually exclusive, and meaning that only one event of two outcomes can occur at a time. Great Senior, we will explain a sample space for a die. Now I will explain for the coin. Sample space consists all possible outcomes of the coin, whether it's heads or tails. Well, I'll flip a coin and we'll see what are the sample spaces. Well, we'll see for the second time. I got tails. Well, these events are mutually exclusive, which means either any one of the event can occur at a time. Both events cannot come at a time. Thank you.
Yeah, this time we'll see sample space for coin tossing at two coins.
I'll toss the two coins at a time and we'll check out the sample space. Yes, I got a heads for two for both of the coins. For second time. One is heads and one is tails. And for the third time. Two tails. Again, both heads. Yes. Heads and tails. The sample space for flipping a two coins. Here I got. This is I got. Heads heads, tails heads, tails and heads and tails. Well, I have got one more example for you. That is question answer for question true or false. Either you can answer true or false. So you can't answer both at a time. Either for one question you should answer either true or false. Sample space for true or false question is either true or false. Yes, we have seen examples for sample space, flipping two coins and the true or false question. And there are many other examples you will be learning in the future, coming videos. Stay tuned.